Hi, I am Dr. Prashant Kumar Bhartu, Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, GIS College of Engineering, Kolani. My subject topic is Advanced Welding Technology, ME 703A. Today is my sixth lecture, Gas Metal Arc Welding, GMAW. Gas Metal Arc Welding, GMAW, is an arc welding process which produces the collisions of metals by hitting them with an arc between a continuously fed filler metal electrode and the work. Introduction. GMAW is a welding process defined as an arc welding using a continuously fed consumable electrodes, a seedling gas. GMAW is also known as metal inert gas or metal active gas. MAG welding produces high quality welds, yields high productivity. Gas metal arc welding is commonly known as MIG welding, metal inert gas welding, and it is less commonly known as MAG welding. In either case, GMAW process, it lends itself to weld a wide range of both solid carbon steel and tabular metal core electrodes. The alloy material range for GMAW includes carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, magnesium, copper, nickel, silicon bronze, and tabular metal core surfacing alloy. The GMAW process lends itself to semi-automatic, robotic automation, hard automation welding applications. The basic equipments are for the MIG welding equipments, DC welding machines, electrode wire reel, wire drive unit, sealed gas cylinder, welding torch, and below there is a welding circuit of the MIG welding. There is a control unit, power unit, and one cable is gone to the earthing and another to the electrode holder. And the arc is formed, sealed gas is there from the holder, and welding is done. The yellow color is sealed gases. It may be CO2 or argon, a combination, and the regulator is there. And wire feed in the top of the control unit or the machine, DC machine or DC machine. And there is a top surface, top of the corner, right corner is there. 3D picture, the wire reel and the electrode holder and the machine. Equipments. Welding gun. The typical GMAW welding gun has a number of key parts: a control switch, a contact tip, a power cable, a gas power, an electrode conduit, liner, and gas hose. The control switch or trigger, when pressed, initiate the wire feed, electric power, and the seedling gas flow, causing an electric arc to the strap. Wire feed unit, it supplies the electrode to the work, driving it through the conduit and onto the contacting power supply, a constant voltage power supply. As a result, any change in the arc length, which is directly related to voltage, results in a large change in the input and the current. Electrode. Electrode selection greatly influences the mechanical properties of the weld and is a key factor of weld quality. Shielding gas. Purpose of shielding gas is to protect the weld area from the contaminants in the atmosphere, that is oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. Gas can be inert, reactive, or mixture of both. These figures, number one is torch handle, number two is a molded phenolic dielectric, shown in the white portion, and the threaded metal nut insert, that is yellow portion, shielded gas diffuser, number three, and four contact tips, and five is nozzle output phase. The right side figure is this is electrode, shielding gases, conduit, current conduit, and wire guided, and contact tube solidifies the weld metal, nozzle, shielding gas, and the arc is on, and the base metal. Green color is the base metal. Metal transfer modes, globular transfer. Welding current and wear speed are increased above maximum for short arc. Welding speed of up to 110 millimeter per second, that is 250 inch per minute. Droplets of metal have a greater diameter than the wire being used. Spatter present. It can only be used for non-ferrous material. Welding is most effectively done in the flat position when using globular transfer short circuit. Operates at low voltage and welding current. Small fast freezing weld puddle obtained. Useful in joining thin materials in any position as well as thick materials in vertical and overhead positions. Short circuit, short arc, it is called short arc. Operates at low voltage and welding current. Small fast freezing weld puddle obtained. Useful in joining thin materials in any position as well as thick materials in vertical and overhead positions. Weld process parameters, volts, amperes were fitted between 100 to 200 amperes at 17 to 22 volt. Metal transfer occurs when an electrical short circuit is established. It only be used on ferrous metal. Spray transfer occurs when the current and voltage setting are increased higher than that used for globular transfers. Use on thick section of base metal materials, best suited for flat positions due to large weld puddle. Spatter is minimal to none, generally used only on workpiece of thickness above about 6.4 millimeter or 0.25 inch. The maximum deposition rate is relatively high, about 60 millimeter per second, that is 150 inch per minute. Well suited to weld aluminum and stainless steel. Pulse spray, a variation of the spray transfer mode, uses a pulsing current to melt the filler wire and allow one small molten droplet to fall with each pulse. The pulse provides a stable arc and no spatter. Since no short circuiting takes place, a smaller whirlpool gives a variation greater versatility, making it possible to weld in all positions. Maximum speed 85 millimeter per second. or 200 inch per minute. Requires sealing gas, primarily argon, with a low carbon dioxide. Concentration required a special power source capable of providing current pulses with a frequency between 30 to 400 pulses per second. It requires heat input and can be used to weld thin workpieces as well as non-ferrous materials. Metal transfer mode. Four modes are there. One is short circuit transfer. The left side, top, that short circuit transfer. Number two, right side, globular transfer. Number three, in the spray transfers. Number four is a pulse spray transfers. In the short circuit transfer, figure shows that before transfer, this arc is formed. During short circuit is there, so metal is transferred, and after transfer, the figure shows that in that way. 2B, that is globular. Globular means droplet is much higher than the electrode diameter. See figure shows before and after. That is third is spray transfer. Bottom is spray transfer, how the spray transfer is done. That is figure. And fourth is the pulse spray transfer, but dropped by the spray transfers. Welding process groups that already you have known, that is carbon arc welding. Arc welding, in the arc welding, there are several arc welding processes out there. Carbon arc welding, silhouette metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, already we have discussed. Metal inert gas welding that we are discussing right now. Next, tungsten arc welding, electroslack welding, plasma arc welding, etc. And the resistance welding, spot welding, flash welding, resistance burn welding, and seam welding. Gas welding, oxyacetylene gas welding, oxyhydrogen gas welding, pressure gas welding, solid state welding, that is SSW, forge welding, cold welding, friction welding, explosive welding, fusion welding, ultrasonic welding. Other types of welding, that is thermite welding, electron beam welding, laser beam welding, laser welding. Comparisons are most common, that is SMAW, stick welding, that is already discussed, and GMAW, and also gas metal arc welding, and third is gas tungsten arc welding. The figure shows that how they are doing. In the bottom side is a welding is performed with a stick welding, then the MIG welding, and third is TIG welding. Advantages on GMAW process: enjoys widespread use because of its ability to provide high quality weld for a wide range of ferrous and non-ferrous alloys at a low price, and high productivity because it is a semi-automatic machine is there. SMAW also has the following advantages: the ability to join wide range of material types, thicknesses, simple equipment component are readily available and affordable. One given electrode size can be used on various thickness of materials. Minimum post-weld cleanup, less distortion with GMAWP pulse spray transfer mode. In pulse spray transfer mode, since the material is very, very low deposited, so distortion is less. Advantages: high deposition efficiency when used in a certain transfer mode, no slack to chief, as compared to SMAW or flux core arc welding. The process can be used on thin materials with relative ease if properly set. Low hydrogen weld deposit with all electrodes. High production factor since no slag is required to be removed and uses a continuous electrode. With the parameters properly set for the application, anyone can weld after a very short amount of practice. Benefits of GMAW: generally lower cost per length of weld deposit compared to other open arc welding processes. Lower cost electrodes, less distortion with GMAW-P pulse pay transfer mode, GMAW short circuit transfer mode, and also surface tension transfer mode. Handle port fit up with GMAW short circuit transfer mode and surface tension transfer mode. Reduce welding fumes generation, minimal post-weld cleanup. Disadvantages: requires a wire feeder with a difficult to move and sometimes be a maintenance and repair burden. Needs sealing gas, so welding in windy conditions can be difficult. No slack system, so out of positions weld are sometimes more difficult. Increased chance of lack of fusion if parameters and welding technique is not controlled. The gun is difficult to get into tight places. It's not suitable for windy condition and underwater welding. Limitations of gas metal arc welding: lower heat input characteristics of the short-circuiting of metal transfer restricts its use to thin material. The higher heat input axial spray transfer, generally restriction to use thicker material. Higher heat input mode of axial spray is restricted to flat or horizontal welding positions. The use of argon-based sealing gas for axial spray and pulse spray transfer mode is more expensive than 100% carbon dioxide. Highlights: GMAW process is general, is controlled condition. Slag porosity discontinuous, less prevailing than other welding processes with coating. Fusion is a concern, suitable for lack of fusion due to welding procedure failure. Joint fit up, depending of location, position, can be very difficult to reach out some areas. Welding winding conditions is more critical due to externally supply of gas seed. Major difference from other welding processes is metal transfer mode as machine and arc parameters changes. Conclusions: today, GMAW is the most common industrial welding process preferred for its versatility, speed, and reliability ease, and adapting the process to robotic applications. It is used extensively by the sheet metal industry and by extension the automobile industries and aerospace industries. So it is productivity since high, so it is used widely in the automotive industry. Thank you.